What's up, guys? Dr. Justin Rabinowitz here. This is our Strive to Move vlog. We're outside today. It's a beautiful day. Today's vlog is about, I get questions all the time about what doctor should I go see, so stay tuned. What's up, guys? Okay, so how do you know what doctor to go see? Now, what I find is that a lot of people get so confused nowadays about what doctor to go see that they don't go to see anybody. They just look it up on Google and they usually don't make a great decision, and then they get things like chronic back pain, all types of bad issues that they never really resolve. So what I want to do is clear that up for you today. All right, so, okay, the first thing we're going to talk about should be the obvious ones. Guys, if you're having crazy symptoms, if you think you're having a heart attack, if you think you're having a stroke, if you get in a car accident, really serious stuff, go to the emergency room. That's where you need to be. Those guys can help. All right. Number two, if you guys think you have strep throat, if you have a cold, if you have pneumonia, go to your primary care doctor. All right. That's what they're there for. That's what they're good at. That's their thing. Go to your primary care, let them look at you, let them get you taken care of, and that's the best place for you. Now, this is where it gets a little bit tricky and confusing, and this is where I really want to kind of dive into exactly when to go see someone if you have a muscle, bone, joint injury, a musculoskeletal injury. This is where it gets real confusing for people. This is where they don't always know who to go see. Now, what I believe is if you pull your hamstring, if you have a low back problem, if you have a neck problem, you should start conservative. So chiropractic, physical therapy, acupuncture. I believe those are your first steps for your musculoskeletal injuries, your low back pain, your neck pain, your shoulders, things like that. Here's why. When you start there, if you go to someone who's competent, if they can't help you, they can refer you up. Right? So what does that mean? If you come to myself as a chiropractor and you have really bad back pain that I can't treat, I'm going to send you to an orthopedist. I'm going to send you to a neurologist. I'm going to send you to a pain management doctor. But if you come to us first, if you come to a physical therapist first, if you go conservative first and we can help you, well, now you've saved yourself a step. What a lot of people do in these situations is they come down with a bad back and they go to their primary care doctor, and primary care doctor is great, but that's not a specialty. It's just like you coming to me for strep throat. I might be good at what I do, but it ain't strep throat, right? So if you have certain injuries, that's not the place to go. So you want to start conservative and then work your way up. In our society today, we think to start high and then go back down. So we'll go to the orthopedist, we'll go to the primary care doctor, and then then they will say, oh, I'm going to refer you to physical therapy, to chiropractic, to acupuncture. And that's not the best thing to do. Now you've taken an extra step in the process. It's much easier to start low and go high. Start conservative and work your way up to pills, to surgery, to interventional medicine. So what I want you guys to think about is starting conservative, working your way up. Again, to review, number one, if you have bad stuff going on, heart attack, stroke, things like that, emergency room, all day, every day. If you have a cold, if you have fever, if you have a flu, your primary care doctor, that's who's going to be able to take care of you. If you have a muscle, back pain, neck pain, shoulder pain, chiropractor, physical therapist, find a good one that you trust, that knows when they can't help you anymore, they will refer you out. But if they can help you and do it conservatively without pills, drugs, and surgery, that's when you win. Guys, I hope you enjoyed this episode, enjoying the nice summer weather here in New Jersey. Any questions, please comment below. Email me, drjustin@strivetomove.com. We will see you soon.